everyone, and welcome back, guys. So today, guys, I'm going to share a video with you on how I'm going to do a fully rinseless wash on this Volkswagen Polo. Again, we're going to have a very minimalistic approach. We're going to use only the products that we need and the tools that we need. So let's just get into the video, guys. So we're going to start washing the car from the top, guys, and we're using a DIY rinseless wash today. So you might notice, guys, that I'm not pre-washing the car today because I wanted it to be a purely rinseless wash. So but you can pre-wash or put some rinseless solution before you do the contact wash. However, the car was so clean that it was simply not necessary, but we will do it on the lower half of the vehicle. In the 2-liter pump spray, I have 10 ml of DIY rinseless solution, and this will actually help us to remove some of that grime and dirt. So as you can see, guys, the rinseless wash does a good job on knocking off that grime even when you apply it through a regular pump spray. And also I slow it down a little bit when I'm working on the lower half of the car. Now as you can see, I'm using the multi-mitt system here, and it's a lot more effective. I use 5 mitts and I don't cross-contaminate my mitts, and the solution is a lot more effective. Now in hatchbacks, a very common place where the dirt is accumulated the most is the back of the car, so that's where I try to put a lot of rinseless solution. Now we're moving on to the wheel, guys, and the reason why I left the wheels last is because the bucket that still has a lot of soap in it we're going to use to rinse off the brushes. Now I treat the wheel cleaning in a rinseless wash just as a maintenance wash, meaning that I'm not going to clean the inner bell. I only do that in my full wash routines. And the wheel arches is also like an optional thing, because depending on how soiled they are, you may want to get into it or you may not want to get into it. But in this case, I'm just going to pre-wash the wheels with some APC and the wheel arches too, and just going to rinse it off with my rinseless solution and then do the contact wash and dry the wheel. This is going to be quick and efficient in this case because the wheel arches are not that dirty. I can afford myself to do that. But if they're very, very knackered, dirty, they're full of grime and all kind of gunk, you may want to skip that. It's just not worth doing it sometimes. So to finish off the wheel, guys, we have some rinseless solution left from the contact wash, and that rinseless solution will help us to safely drive the wheel and leave a nice glossy finish to it. So we're coming to the end of the video, guys, and to conclude it, I just want to say that the rinseless wash is probably the best method to do in between the main car wash it, and it helps you to save a lot of water, and also it's very efficient and quick. And we need to really be concerned about water consumption because we don't always need to use that much water to clean our cars. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next videos.